back to Target and take like a little moment to look at the Black History Month Elevate Black Creativity section that Target has. I've already looked at it a few times, and I bought something for my nieces and my nephew and my daughter, but I wanted to come back and just spend some time to find myself something. So I ended up getting a planner and a mug, and my daughter got a tumbler, and I think that I want to come back and get the puzzle because they had two different designs and they were so cute. Target is definitely on my bucket list. I plan to have my work in there in the near future. I don't know how this will happen, but I'm so inspired by Target anytime I go in there, and I would just love to be able to work with them on any project. So I'm hoping that that's something that will come true soon. Have you guys heard of this brand? I think I'm gonna get this one, but let's just put it like this. If these work, then I'll come back and try these too. Never heard of that brand, the Mega Babe. What is that line right there? You see that?
It's not working, yeah, but it's focused now.
Is it clean? Okay, we're having camera issues. I found some soap. Let me just show you. This soap is called Good Soap, but I can't find it online. I can't find it in Whole Foods online either, so I don't know. They have a 3 for $8 right now. This is the Vanilla Haze. Mara, do you see one that you want?
I thought this was cucumber, but I'm not sure.
Avocado.
They have like, you see, like they
and
have
apple cider.
different.
Yep.
They don't have one on here. I'm guessing like it's the same. I don't know. I guess it's a cucumber.
All right, let's see. I'm gonna get a few. I can get 3, and you can get 3. You wanna do that? It's because it's 8 for 3.
Yeah.
I'm still recovering from summer's blaze.
I'm gonna do a short little haul for you guys from Target and Whole Foods. We didn't get that much, but I went ahead and got some detergent, and this time I even got some fabric softener because my mama told me that my clothes were a little less than the other day. She's like, they are stiff and they just didn't feel good, so I bought fabric softener. And if you hear noise in the background, my brother-in-law is renovating part of our house, so that's what that noise is. And then I got this cute little mug from the Black Creative section in Target, from Oh Happy Danny. It's like $5, real cute. My daughter actually bought this for me. She bought the mug, she bought herself a tumbler, and then she bought this cute little wallet from Target too, so that she can put her debit card and her Cash App card in here. I've never heard of this brand before. It's called Mega Babe. This is deodorant. Like, look up some reviews so I can see more information about it, but I quickly searched it before I bought it, and so I mean, it looked pretty good. So we're gonna try that, and I'm gonna throw my other deodorant away. I've been using some charcoal deodorant that I got from Urban Outfitters, and it's time. Went ahead and got a planner because I've been needing one, and this also came from Oh Happy Danny. And so I think that's everything from Target. Whole Foods, I got my nephew some animal crackers. I got some brown short grain rice. I went ahead and got some juices. This is new, I think. I've never seen it before. It's orange, mango, coconut water. So it's only coconut water, orange, and mango. Exactly what it says. This one is Rise and Shine. They're both Rise and Shine, but they look different. I guess I have to shake it up. But they look two different colors right now. I got some whipped cream, and it's an oat-based whipping cream just for them to put on like their hot chocolate when my mom makes it for them. I've always seen this. I hear a lot of people talk about it, but I've never tried it. So we got the almond milk, and this is the vanilla kind. They had the unsweetened, and then I think they had oat milk too, but we just went ahead and got that one. This is the soap that I showed you guys that I was trying to get, and then later on, I guess, like, I'll open it and show you guys exactly what we got. I got myself 2 ginger shots, is ginger and lemon in here. And then for a snack, I got some carrots and some celery. These will go by really fast because we'll snack on that every day. Some asparagus. I'm gonna try to see if I can get my mama to cook it because she cooks it really good, but I feel like she's gonna tell me no. Got some pecans, some organic quinoa, and some walnuts. So these 3 too. Alright, so I finally heard back on the printer about these magnets that I'm supposed to be doing. I've had these like in the works since before Christmas, and they are just now getting able to actually produce these. So here's one for clean, and then there's the one for dirty. So they're 3x3 magnets that you could just stick on the dishwasher, and that way nobody eats off of dirty dishes. Alright, I finally got my planner, and I do have a few appointments that I need to go ahead and put in here. It's kind of what I want to do now. They're for March. I'm just going to turn to March and then try to get that done. I'm sorry the light in here is so bad. It's so gloomy outside, and I don't like to work with the lights on, so I just have like the natural light. So both of the windows are open. It's just not producing the light that I want. Alright, so I just updated. I have an eye exam March 15th, and then an appointment with my pulmonary doctor for like the first time since having COVID. They think that I have asthma now, so this is just for me to go talk to them and see. I don't know if it's a consultation or what the appointment will like entail, but this is what's going on. Alright, so while I'm sitting here trying to get ahead on everything, make a plan and to-do lists, I'm gonna be drinking some water. And I've never tried this one before. And this is the coconut water, orange, and mango. And it's pretty good. I just took a sip of it, and I like it. It's really light, but at the same time, the mango in it is really strong.